Today I want to welcome you at 7 Foxtrot in Kleefeld. We have a 1-year-old home, 1,300 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's come inside and I'll show you some really nice features that is quite unique about this home. Something really special about this house, we have the vaulted ceiling, nice open floor plan. Just look at the oversized kitchen, tile backsplash, just really unique features that you won't find in any other home. If you're looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom family home in Kleefeld, give me a call today. We have a really nice opportunity with no backyard neighbors.